Listen. They fucking suck.
Okay, period.
They just get lucky as fuck.
Okay.
They not us.
They not us.
They not us.
We about to pop out and show them.
Kendrick said they not like us.
They not
I'm
right.
telling y'all, they not us.
At all. Whatsoever.
And there gotta be a similarity. They're just not.
Exactly.
They're not good.
Okay.
Leonard is balding.
Okay. Oh.
You can't trust a nigga who can't predict the future on his own forehead because he still got hair left.
Right.
But it's kind of empty.
Okay.
Your mic in your hair right now.
Don't mess with her. She got goons in the trap. Don't mess with her. I got you. I'm telling you, I'm coming after you. Now my homie, don't come out. I'm gonna come after you. Trust me.
Actually, you be quiet because he the one that did it, y'all.
No, and you wanna know who did it? I'm gonna tell you.
You and Quan.
I helped. I did. You said me.
But I'll be on it always, always and
Guys, hi. Welcome back to another vlog, or this may be the same vlog. I don't know yet. But currently we're about to go surprise my cousin on the Tiki boat. She's getting married on August the 2nd, so we're having her, well, we're giving her like a surprise bachelorette thingy thing, you know, with the cousins. So I'm super excited, and this is what I have on. Yeah, so I'm actually on my way to there now, and we have to be there by 2:30. I'm only like 18 minutes away from the where we're taking off at. So I just wanted to come check in with you all. I will show you all the surprise. So she don't know. Her mom and her sister just told her that they're going to take her out to eat and to just wear like something summery or whatever. So I'm excited. My cousin said that she's going to blindfold her. Oh yeah.
Is it over?
You like bad, baby. You gotta do the beater. I'll do it when you gotta do it now, or? Well, come on, what we gonna do now? What we about to do? Alright, we're gonna go slightly to the left. Keep it straight. Walk it straight. Stop. Alright, you ready? Go ahead, take it off. Oh, she's drunk.
Oh, Jesus.
She got me.
What y'all get for both? This hair is rough, honey. It's thick.
Well, try it in the.
We gotta go all the way over there. To the boat going over there.
Alright, we need to get them. We got 10 minutes. We need to move.
Did y'all pay yet for the
Yeah, we had to pay for.
Oh.
Oh, pray for. Oh, you trying to?
Oh, it's right there.
For the car. Did you get in? Did you get in? Yeah.
Yes.
Right, the thing.
What's the hell, right? Your lip color.
Just I got a red one.
Oh, where?
Right there. That
So should we start walking?
Yeah.
I was about to say, grab and go.
Hey, y'all okay?
Oh, I would grab the heaviest one.
Chesapeake Bay, we're in the greater Lynn Haven Basin of the Chesapeake Bay, so we're asking to keep it as clean as possible so nothing goes overboard. I got garbage cans back here. You're more than welcome to come back here and throw stuff away, or hand me anything at any time and I'll throw it away. We're done. Just drop it right there. Boom, in. It's gonna be windy, so if you have nap.
I don't have no card. I gave you one. I was about to say, I think you losing yours on purpose. Oh, you ain't got my card. Oh, she didn't. Oh, Tisha didn't go. Go ahead.
Drink. Yeah, I did the shortest one. That was my card.
Ain't nobody drink.
Drink your water. Drink your water.
I never got home. Drink your water. Good. Oh, let me pass on. Yeah, we need more. You gotta scratch it. We should scratch it off with your hand.
Yeah, glow.
And now hold on to your card so that they don't blow away. It's a trash can. How you spell? Yes, sir. That one.
I ain't mad at you. You get to feel the stress up in your chest, thinking that you about to lose. I don't need anything when you're in next to me. Hey guys, I'm actually in the car driving right now, so I'm in a rush. It's currently Friday. It is August the 2nd. I'm on my way to my cousin's wedding reception. Congratulations to her, Tez. They are married as of today, and we're about to have a time with the fam and just like party, celebrate. You already know. So I just want to come check in with y'all before I just like, you know, hop into the camera with just like music and everything playing of my family. Y'all like what's going on. But yeah, I will check back in with y'all because I'm actually driving right now. So congratulations, cousin. I love you, love you, love you. You deserve everything that's coming your way, and I just wish you the best on your journey. You and Tez, just continue to keep God first, communicate, yeah, do all of the things of God, and you know, just keep each other first at all times and have each other's back, and just don't let anything come in between you two. I'm rooting for you two always and forever, and we riding with the Rams right now. We riding with the Rams. So yeah, it's lit. It's lit. Today is the day, cousin. Love you. Mwah.
When I'm in need, when trouble's on my mind, you put my soul at ease.
I want you and Nika, I want y'all to know it's not a 50-50 in marriage, it's 100-100. So, whenever y'all get to, y'all things, join together. 50 and 50, but it's 100, it's not a thing. I love you both, and remember,
God loves you more.
Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Will. Make sure you guys communicate to listen. Yeah. And if you have arguments, that's going to come. And Taz, thank you for taking her off my payroll. I appreciate it. So there's a chance to let you know before she calls me. Congratulations.
If you don't end your wedding night off like this, then
they exploiting you right now.
Did you even have a wedding? Did you even have a wedding if you don't end your night like this? No. You didn't even have no wedding.
Exploiting my boy.
Is that on top tier? She already She already cut the top. That accident. So she better piss me off, and I'm gonna take your shot. I'm gonna take your shot. You better hurry up. You better hurry up. I asked for a cup a month ago. Well, you better get a cut. I told you got a shot with us. I put it on like 4 times. So I'm like, I'm self.
Everything he said though.
Well, you gotta take another shot. Right. That ain't enough.
It's blurry.
First of all, it was a requirement, so I might. She know all y'all Barbara. She know all y'all stuff. She better.
What she guessing?
You know how many years ago that was?
What are you guessing? Our full name?
I can't remember everything.
Oh, you don't know mine. You don't know my middle name. No, she don't. L. You don't know my middle name. Don't. Y'all know my middle name.
What is it?
No.
What you said was? She says like not crushing.
What is it, Kia? I'm just saying.
No, I said cachet, but I know it's not something like that. But
you're close though. It is.
What is it?
Kashina or something like that.
I remember a little bit. I really do. Like she told me that they had us repeating that shit like we was on
Oh, we had pledge because of that.
Yes. I really do remember that.
We got some more.
I took that shit. I mean, I'm gonna take it all of it. That's all I got.
Okay. Out here with KD, Brandon. We finally getting this shoot in, y'all. It's been how many days? A long time? How many months? Almost a year. No, I'm joking. Definitely so much.
Subscribers?
Almost. We almost there. Milestone. We at 1,000 right now.
That's what I mean.
purr. Big purr. Speaking
Talking about some almost cute. Now it's 5K.
Yes. For y'all to fix. Cute.
That's what I'm talking about. 100.5 The Vibe, the soul of the seven cities.
Right down off about Monticello.
Yeah, I know it's 21st Street.
Why you say it like that?
I'm trying to figure the best way to get there.
The interstate?
Interstate.
My left toes are still numb. Do y'all think they're gonna I know? My left toes are numb.
Not
Since ain't nothing going
unknown.
You better.
Unknown.
What is this?
Not you by lunch.
Girl, why did you put all this money?
He's just giving away money.
That's why you listen to my mom. What time we call her again?
She should have said my name too.
That's your name.
Maybe she was talking about Tiki or something. I don't know.
Girl,
I don't know
she
what
probably
Grandma was
put some
talking
extra
about.
smoke on that, I don't know what she did. I'm mad they so tall because I would give me some bread.
You what, Greta? You just got little friends.
Little friend mean the boo, right?
Yo, boo, yeah.
Cause boos, they always asking for something.
Well, they're gonna ask regardless.
Ooh. Well, what you ask for?
Nowadays they ask regardless.
What you ask for?
Right, what you
ask for? Why she can't ask for that? I bet you asking for something.
Ask for nothing. Not a thing.
And Kodabuki, you can go there and sit like you really in Japan. You take your shoes off.
Where's Kodabuki at?
No, you can't go there. No, just down the street.
They got regular seats.
Yeah, they got regular tables.
It feel better out here now. That's about to rain.
What do you mean? I can't get
Because they have an area like you really in Japan, and you take your shoes off and you actually sit like real low, like it's almost a floor, but it's like, you get what I'm saying? Who wants that?
Me?
Oh my God.
I ain't gonna kill us. Why would I kill us? Why would I do that? Why would I do that? But she wanted me to drive. I be driving us to DC.
This is a faster car.
Oh, come on now. I done drove faster cars. I done drove.
So she can feel the car right.
I actually don't want to drive for real.
Oh, well, don't drive.
Huh?
Don't drive.
Yeah, I actually don't want to drive. I like riding. I drive so much, I want to drive back seat for real.
I'm trying to figure out why you don't want to drive so bad. If that's the case, I could have drove my own car. Don't let the food fall out. You love my first up these things.
Yep.
I done drove faster cars, first of all.
Put the food on the floor, y'all. Right in my seat.
Okay, Roscoe. We put you on the porch, right?
Hey guys, I just got to church rehearsals. It is Sunday, July the 4th. Y'all see? I mean August the 4th. I'm talking about July. But anyways, they're rehearsing right now, so I just want to come check in with y'all. And yeah. And me, my godmom, and my godsister, we're going to lunch after this. Yeah, so I am done with rehearsals. She cut our like time short because she didn't need like the sisters anymore for auditions, but still waiting on my godmom to contact me back. So I went to Dunkin' or whatever. I'm like hungry, I haven't ate yet. So I was like, should I get like an egg and cheese croissant I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get one donut, just one. So I goes through the drive-thru and I'm like, hey, can I get a donut? Just one glazed donut. He was like, is that it? I'm like, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I went and paid my little $1.49 or whatever. Why when I pull off, I see that they gave me 3 donuts. I already ate one, but like they gave me 3 donuts. No, I do not need 3 donuts. Like, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. They treat me so good at that Dunkin' Donuts. Like, they love me. But it's just like, you set me up, sir. Like, why would you set me up like that? But I'm only gonna eat just 1.5. Like what? I'm about to go run the track, like right now. But yeah, I just wanted to come check in with y'all. I'm about to see what my godmom doing. It's 3 o'clock. I called her at 1. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? I don't know what today is. Well, I don't remember the last time I picked up the camera. I do know what today is. Today is Saturday, August the 10th. And I am currently, my nail just came off. And I'm currently at, I just pulled up to Katie's adult field day. So, I don't know what's going on. Like, it took me forever to get dressed because it's like a 90s theme or whatever. I thought I had something, but like the outfit just wasn't coming together. And then I bleached my Adidas as I was wiping them off. Don't ask me why I put bleach on the rag. I don't know. I obviously wasn't thinking. My nail just came off. Like, it's just a lot going on right now. And honestly, I'm just like, girl, whatever. But I'm about to come out here and have some fun. We about to play games. We did this 2 years ago and it was a vibe. So I'm super excited for this year. We did, I think it was like 2 years ago, the last time we did it. But it was super fun. So yeah, so I'm about to go out here, have some fun. I'm gonna vlog for y'all. I just want to come check in because I don't remember the last time I actually picked up the camera. It is raining as well. It's been raining for like 50 days and 50 nights. So yeah, that's the tea. But let me glue this nail that I just found on and see if it works. I don't know. I don't care. Whatever. Bye. I'm not gonna be here for long. What is KD and I'm at anyway? Oh, what's up? I did not even see you. I'm like, where KD at? It's the twist. It's the twist. You look it different. You look it different. Hey, bro.
What's going on?
What's going on? It's rainy. We still out here though.
Oh yeah, no, we definitely about to get it in. It don't matter. It don't matter.
Hey.
Oh yeah, no. right, bet we just gonna cover this real quick.
I need a piece of cake.
I need to. No, you didn't hear what I just said?
What is it?
A whole edible.
I'm drunk off life.
Oh, drink it.
Oh, Don Julio got that. Don Julio got the Julio. Act like they won the lap.
Hey, they talking shit about y'all. Hey, all right.
was a ref. You next round?
So boom, I got 4. I know. Are you playing this round?
Leonard already knows what happens when you're under that race, baby.
Come on, man. You play some more energy. The game we played, we stepping on a bunch of jump, bro.
All right.
Win basketball. Nobody want to get a rebound.
Y'all. Take it. All right. Hey. Hold on. Oh, you done talking? All right. Yo, Jay.
Not a team me in.
The dog flip-flops should not be back, Jay.
What's wrong with her flip-flops?
Hey, what's the order?
What's wrong with the flip-flops?
Dog flip-flops in a relay? What do you mean what's wrong with them?
Oh, it's a relay.
Fuck you. Look at it. Her skin is beautiful. We don't want to ruin it about dog flip-flops.
We don't.
We want to slide.
Go, Jay. Go, Jay.
All right.
Y'all should have a birthday.
Believers!
Oh, okay.
All right.
Period.
Okay, now.
Come on, Chant.
I don't know why. It doesn't feel good.
Well, that peppermint smell good.
Remember.
Peppermint? Yeah, I think it's the bug spray.
Yeah, it is.
What, dog spray?
No. The peppermint spray from
Take your time. Don't get frustrated.
Dang, I ain't even catch Shorty's name.
Oh, okay.
All right.
But yeah, she let us borrow hers. You want some?
Yes. I need some. I'm sorry. Kahari. Cause these bugs tearing me up. Thank you.
All right, ready? Set. Go!
My bad.
Hell none of it.
Boy, I was coming over to talk to y'all.
Nah, bro, don't be doing that nonsense. You got this. Focus. Lock in. Use the nails.
Damn, this shit hard.
My bad, dog.
That's why I said flip it 360. The niggas told me no. See, that would have been the way.
See, that's why I was saying that.
Did you get it?
Y'all sure you want
That is the way.
She did it twice. She did it.
No, it's 360.
It's what?
Wait. Like I said, they told me no. It's 360 is the way.
Oh, it's up, right?
I thought.
I was gonna get it like that.
Yes, but do we want to start it over? I ain't playing. Y'all ain't got to take a water shot or nothing.
So look, we're gonna start like that, but we gotta get it on this side. All right. So it starts right here. It's gotta flip and sit aside.
Whole time.
Yeah.
Because y'all were cheating. No, but it starts. But that's not what Casey was trying to curse you said already.
No. Like, I did say that. They told me it was different.
Yeah.
All right. No, they
It wasn't so long to take me in.
Nope. It's how it's started.
I was like, I'll never know that.
We've been around in circles. We stand right here? We
That's
stand
what I
right
said.
here?
They was like, do it on the butt. I told them, babe, I don't do nothing on the butt.
I remember we did pictures now.
That's what I told them.
That's what I said. That's why I had to.
You gotta stop when you break that.
Hey. Please play it softly.
Okay.
I ain't done that in so long.
Not on the knee.
Are you ready? It's a shrooms, I promise you.
Go monitor that meal.
All right. Now we got a new rule. Leonard Tings ain't gonna win.
It's not new.
2, go. Get there. Just gotta get there. Let's go. Put in work for this, JB. Let's go. Coming soon.
Come on, girl. Come on. Girls winning right now.
Let's go, squad.
You got it, sis.
You got that.
Take your time.
A little bit harder. Just a tad bit, though. There you go.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go, Anchor. Finish it.
Not too hard, not too soft.
What?
You rinsed the cup?
Oh no, we definitely ain't. Yeah, we first.
You rinsed the cup?
Is the first one water?
Ain't no guarantee we meet up in the middle. For you.
You ain't gotta be that weak.
No hard feelings. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They don't take the fucking shot.
We go in here, okay? Let me just put it into this one. Sit. All right, I'm gonna go first. We out there. She go second, third,
Explain the rules to them. Like,
even it up.
they were just
strong flip cup.
They were just watching. Why do you play the rules? This nigga Marvin trying to find out any reason to take his shirt off. This nigga ain't do nothing all day. Got his shirt off.
That's it. Just get it over there.
If she goes second,
nice.
Being a hater is crazy.
You wanna go fifth?
All right, let's do this. Leonard, you know how this go. Where the music at? Oh, JB left. We need somebody connected to the JBL. Because JB left. JBL.
Other side. Other side, I'm recording.
Alright y'all, now they got us doing a girls face off for to break the tie.
They fucking suck. They just get lucky as fuck. They not us.
They not us.
They not us.
We about to pop out the show.
Hendrick said they not like us.
They not right.
Like, no, they not us.
At all. Whatsoever.
And there gotta be a similarity. They're just not. They're not good. Leonard is holding. You can't trust a nigga who can't predict the future on his own forehead because he still got hair left. But it's kind of empty. Alright? So what I'm saying is, first of all, why is quiet? It got dark over here. Y'all saw that, right? Alright, ice ain't up, dog. Relax. Alright. So as I was saying, this is how we gonna work, right?
Okay.
Y'all are KD hitters. Alright, y'all ain't hitters. Y'all go out there and y'all work every week over there. Alright, we ain't women, but just work it. Alright? We love them. We take the black queens. We all respect them. We love them. But fuck them up.
Hey, get out of her talk. Get out of her talk.
Hey, I didn't take his bandana off. Hey, y'all, the water was going first?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, 1 and 2.
What is happening? Thankfully it was an even break.
We got a broom to sweep it off. Did the dugout?
Dirt was fine.
We're gonna go and do a real experience. We're going to get dirty. We didn't make no. Fuck it. I was gonna say, damn, everybody got white t-shirts, huh?
I mean,
Alright, we don't want teams. Cool. Let's go.
Yeah.
First versus blouses. You said skins. Come on. All the women got to wear y'all top.
We going to the dirt. We going to the dirt.
That boy name look like he been playing kickball for 4 to 5 years. I remember when this field used to be filled with grass. I remember when the diamond was filled with grass. Thank you, Joshua.
Alright y'all, so now we're about to go play kickball. We about to get down and dirty. Down and dirty.
No, because you gotta listen. Alright, I started over. And then he was. Neatly crossed.
45 years old, still the groundskeeper of the old abandoned kickball field. Every summer, he waits for a group of kids to come by, but they don't. Because they play kickball on their tablet.
Kickball time, kickball
Until
time.
one day, a group of kids come up and he shows them the magical powers of kickball. He shows them how to pass. They said,
oh my God. We're so gonna die. Okay, we might want to go.
We gotta play in the grass.
They
grass
out
it
now.
is.
They done turned on you.
They said we're not playing sand like this.
Yeah.
They turning on you. Y'all done fucked up my movie too. I've been narrating the whole movie like Morgan Freeman. You feel me?
Tommy Pickles is crazy.
We had a ring over
here. They're gonna kick the ball and stop right here. They just gonna kick the ball to the edge of the clay.
I'm not diving for nothing.
Come on, y'all.
I don't know, y'all. What y'all think?
Baby, we probably gonna be fucked up just trying to run. I'm not gonna touch the ball.
Are we getting down and dirty or not?
No. I'm gonna try. Not giving Betty touch.
Alright, y'all, we not getting down and dirty. We not getting down and dirty.
That right there is an inch, 2 inches of water.
Yeah, if anybody still want to play over here, go ahead and walk through. You said down and dirty, right? Weren't you the...
I say, are we? Yeah, if I had sweatpants or like a long sleeve, maybe.
Nah.
On the line.
I know, right?
We look like we just got rained out of a game. Everybody's like, yo, we about to fuck this up.
Right, we gotta go in. Down and dirty, what's up?
Damn.
We just get like slightly down a little bit dirty.
We were just playing.
Yes, sir.
How many people I know that
Good stuff, big dog.
So it's like baseball. Okay. Baseball plus the
Okay.
Damn.
He won't just over there.
Damn.
Who the fuck was just over there?
You know better than
I'm out of shape. I got my summer body on.
Whatever. You had your shirt off earlier. You obviously.
I was bloated, okay?
Not you was bloated.
I'm wearing all black. I was over there.
I put the rest. Alright, y'all. We're done with kickball. It was a lot going on, a lot of confusion.
Too much.
It was
too much. Unnecessary.
Unnecessary, just like, I don't know. But, oh, food sounds good.
We can go.
We sweaty.
But if you all come together, they can't talk and fight about
everybody. I mean, who cares what people say anyway, you know?
Me.
And I don't be the white people like that.
Yeah, me either. But it's definitely almost time to pack up because sun about to set. So.
Yeah, no, look at this stuff. My little penguin is cute.
Hola, hola, hola. Hey y'all, it's the next day. It's Sunday. I just got from church and now I'm about to, well, yeah, I just got from church. I went to go get some hamburger hot dog buns for the pool party today. So Katie part 2, he's having a pool party today for his birthday. So we're about to get together, have some fun, play some more games, and just give y'all more entertainment. Super excited. I'm about to get in the shower get my bathing suit together, put on my clothes. It starts at 4 o'clock. It's currently like 3:50-ish right now, but he texted the group and said that they're going to be a little bit late because they're still grilling, and obviously we couldn't have a grill at the pool where he rented at, so they're still cooking the food. I'm hungry. I also had rehearsals at the church, so it's been a quite eventful day. A wonderful Sunday, amazing Sunday. The word was amazing. Worship was amazing. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and check back in with y'all once I get to the pool party. Mwah.
You gotta pull up.
Did you get it? Oh no, that's this.
Yeah, I'm toasting.
Let me
with
tell you,
this.
Dwayne, how we had to go on the side.
I saw. That's why I was like, "What are you doing all the way down there?"
It's in there.
Tim.
Yeah. And then, cause Christian, cause Christian was like, he still has to go by Josh, and I was like, I swear to God, I just saw this nigga on the ocean front. Like,
So we came here, we left.
Yeah.
We was on our way to the house. As we get into the house, fucking Tim was like, I got the weed, come get it whenever you're ready. I like, shut up, what you doing now? He was 5 minutes from the house. How did he make it to ocean front that quick? I don't know. So my man was like, I'm at Beach House, but I parked at Seaside, so when you pull up, I'll meet you at Seaside. I was like, bet. I was like, I'm pulling up. He was like, I'm at Aquas.
What the fuck?
How did we get there? So I'm like, all right, so you want me to come down to Aquas? He was like, meet me at Chicken Oyster Beach bar.
Right.
I was like, nigga, short drive?
I got
Shit. That's a whole different.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This story makes so much more sense.
Now, because you know that nigga just be gone.
Every fucking where for no fucking reason.
I got to just, I'm doing a brief one. I've been trying to work on my speeches. You make a brief. Yes, I have. Watch this. You ready for this? I love y'all for another year. I appreciate everybody. Thank y'all for coming out.
Love you. Niggas.
That's how I should, niggas.
The fire, I didn't get that.
I know. Only one more year. Currency is smooth. I lied. It's a full battery. It was the Wi-Fi thing that was flashing red over there.
Got you.
Look,
I forgot my memory card, so it's cool.
Oh, don't worry, my boy. It's a full battery, and Trevor showed me how to already download them to my phone, so you'll have all these by tonight.
Serious.
Candy, what we doing? I don't even know what we doing.
Flip cup. We got to race across the pool.
Let me see that.
We need an alternative shot for Kia though.
No, I'll do it.
Another game of flip cup.
It's just like yesterday.
We gonna do like I was flipping with taking shots with water yesterday.
Take shots.
I do wine though. I do a little wine.
Gabe's the last girl?
Yeah, that's last girl.
I'll take last girl. Oh yeah, you got first pick, so you got last girl.
Y'all wanna see me go in the water? We going in the water.
Oh, yeah. I got him. Oh yeah.
We're gonna go in the water.
That's too much.
You know you're here right now. We got to he's something else. I'm forgetting. Oh, they don't. Yeah, you see? We can't have that interview over here. I ain't gonna take this. Perfect, he took it. That's crazy.
Staple, not with me. Not you know.
Turn that drink up.
I picked first.
Shawty wanna ride with a nigga.
Flip up. Keep stacked. So we start here. Come across. Right.
Oh, I can't swim.
I mean, either. So we're in the same boat. London.
Okay.
You're standing.
Okay.
I think standing up, right?
I mean, but you. Yeah, we about to play flip cup again, but in the pool. Like, hello. Shorty want to ride with her now.
Shorty want to ride with her now.
It's the worst. Nah, my intrusive thoughts win all the time.
Bro, all the time.
They just be
weird. I don't be fighting.
Yeah, just let it come out. Hey, then why you wanna go and do that? Look,
without Jesus. I didn't get it. I was under attack.
Yeah, I fucked up. No.
Double back. Now I got something to say. You were playing music. Before you fell, I was in the room. I was under attack. They were all here. Look at all the people that can swim. Look at that. I know, right. You can swim.
You can't swim there?
I'm not gonna prove my skills today. No, I can't float. I can swim. I
was about to say.
Get your flotation device.
Floating is even harder than swimming.
You look at zero and what they call it?
Right here,
Zero.
just so you know.
It's a word for it.
Sink.
Sink.
0 buoyancy. We don't have buoyancy.
I'm like whoosh. As soon as I stop swimming, I'm up under there.
Exactly.
Gone.
We have 0 buoyancy.
I need somebody to help me.
I can swim a little bit actually, but floating?
I can swim.
But once
You should be able to float.
Once I get tired.
Why? What you trying to say? Why can I float?
You know, I got buoyant.
I'm big.
Huh? Yeah.
Come on, son. That's wild.
You should be able to float.
Quan is a wild boy.
Excuse me?
0 buoyancy is very rare.
Who has 0 buoyancy?
I do.
Like me? I guess.
And then he said, I should be able to float. I said, well, why? And he still didn't tell me yet. Why should I be able to float?
You answered my question.
Because I'm
Yes.
Hello.
I thought he was saying. No, I was like, you didn't run right there.
Hello.
okay.
Quan, you're a funny boy. You're a funny boy, Quan.
I'm
Oh, wait, I can't get a shot.
I got a
Purr. Purr.
got a little flotation device.
A flotation device.
Do you mind?
I'm thinking, babe. I think it's really.
Oh, what is happening over there? What are they doing?
You said what?
I would never let somebody do that.
I am not a Caribbean nigga.
Wait, they say I refuse.
You don't want to say no.
Follow me. Shooting over here. We ready?
These are softer than the other ones. I won't do it with that.
And back it up, beep, beep.
And he can say nigga.
Disclaimer. Listen. I trap on the beat.
Damn.
Knock a nigga in the teeth.
We can't hear you.
You know how we do it. Yeah, we do it from the street. Look, from the beach down to the south side. Yeah, don't go it ride. Yeah, you know, man, we glide. Look, we on that UK drill shit. Yeah. You know we really real shit. Shout out to the boy KD. We do this shit, baby. You know how we do with this slave. All the way from DB out to Richmond, DC down to the Bay. You know how we do it. Yeah, we killing this shit our way. This off the top, off the dome, right from the back of the home. And you already know we take this shit. We ain't no clones. We original. We always do it.
Put me in the motherfucking booth. Stop playing with me.
You wanna know what's crazy? That was not recording.
You gotta give me old school beat.
Hey yo, I know that's not recording, right? You know that's not recording.
Yeah, they done dumped me in the pool. My wig came off, y'all.
My wig on it.
My wig, y'all. My wig.
This was multiple people.
CJ, can you tell the people why you keep flipping?
Hey kid,
Huh?
I got a joke you mad
You know
about.
what I'm saying? What's the joke? Fuck your shit, CJ.
Yo condensing for your mic and your hair right now.
Don't mess with her. She got goons in the trap. Don't mess with her. I got you. I'm telling you, I'm coming after you. Now my homie, don't come out. I'm gonna come after you, trust me.
Hey, can you be quiet? Cause he the one that did it,
No,
y'all.
and you wanna know who did it? I'm gonna tell
You and Quan.
I helped. I did. You said me.
Hey, but guess what? Fuck, she's still a baddie. She's still a baddie. What's up?
Quan is.
Yeah, she's still a baddie.
It was all this nigga.
Your boyfriend ate her DMs. What's up?
Nigga.
It is.
Nigga. I ain't gonna vibe all this slander. It was all that nigga. I ain't do a damn thing.
Fuck, see, what they say fuck me for? I'm just doing my big one, minding my own business. Shit, my phone even got wet. And so, niggas trying to throw me in the pool. Why put at me? Why put at me? Fuck you! Anyway.